Tonight I'm going to review the Hampton Bay LED solar spotlight black finish, and this is what it looks like. This one I got this from Home Depot, and it has a solar panel on the top, and it has an LED light bulb. And this one it costs only $7 in uh, Home Depot right now. So if you guys want to buy this, I'll recommend you guys to get this one instead of turning on your light to your bulbs. So this kind of LED light spotlight will save you tons of money to your electricity bill instead of without being set using your front porch light. So now I just got a two of this, and I show you guys what does it look like during at night. Okay guys, as you could see, tonight is 8 p.m. Eastern Time in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'll show you guys what does it look like through my front porch. So I have two of that. One's that one, and I have also that was a pathway light LED that I just showed you before through my glove, and that's my spotlight right there. It's my LED spotlight, and that's the other one that I just got. So I have two. So turning on my light. Um, I will never turn on that light anymore, so I don't want to spend money by turning on that light. So anyway, I give this a 5-star rating. This is a good LED spotlight that you could just buy from Home Depot. Until next time, guys. I hope you guys like this review. This is Soy Nengtang. Thank you for subscribing. All people subscribe to my channel. Shout out to you guys. Hope you guys keep watching my video. And that's what it looks like, my boards. And I hope you guys like this. So until next time, God bless you guys. Yeah, you guys have a wonderful evening. Bye.